Hi everyone, this is Canary and I'm Dion, and welcome to Canary and Dion's 12 Days of Christmas Cards. Today is day 9, and I wonder what it's going to be. Door number 9 of our 12 Days of Christmas Cards is a Christmas wreath. To make our Christmas wreath, what you need is some paper, which I just cut up and folded in half. We need our pencil and our black felt tip pen, also our rubber or eraser wherever you're from, and not forgetting our colouring pencils. Okay, let's begin. So to make the wreath, you can do this however you like, either long ways or sideways. I think I'm going to do this one long ways. So we're going to do like a circle, but it's going to be like a squiggly line circle. So we're going to start off doing a small circle, squiggly line circle, just like this. You're just going to keep going round and round until you connect. And if you make a mistake, that's okay, you can just rub it out. And then just, there we go. And then we're going to do a bigger squiggly line circle at the top, just like so. And then at the top of the wreath, you're going to do a bow. So I'm going to do a circle like this, and then I'm going to do kind of a triangle on one side and another triangle on the other side. And then I'm going to do the ribbons, so just like a little, kind of like a rectangle on each side. And there you have it. That is the first part of the wreath. Now I wanted to add some decorations, so I'm going to do some little baubles all the way around, just like some circles. And if you want, you can just do it however you like. You can even add some fruit if you like, or some flowers. It's completely up to you. Once you are happy with how your wreath is looking, you can then take your black pen and then you can just go around the wreath, just like so. And don't worry if you make any mistakes. And there is my wreath. And now I'm going to take my rubber and just rub out the pencil line. Once you are happy with how your wreath is looking, you can begin to colour this in. Now you can colour it in however you like. So I'm going to go with blue, just like maybe some blue on one side, I think, because I kind of want a multicoloured wreath, I believe. So I'm going to do blue here. Then I'm going to do pink. And then I'm gonna add red on this side. And finally, I'm going to add some green just here at the bottom. And then for my bow, I'm going to do it yellow. And not forgetting the decorations, which I'm going to do in a purplish colour. And there you have it, your very own Christmas wreath. This card is for Canary's friend Hartley, so let's write him a message. To Harley, Merry Christmas from Canary. There you have it. See you tomorrow.